Hi, Douglas Simonson here, coming to you from Mexico with a painting demonstration. Today I'm going to be painting a portrait of a young Brazilian. I have always been good at faces. It was always the thing that I could draw the most easily. I don't know why, I was just always good at it, so that's the easiest thing for me. So when I want to do something that's not too challenging, just for fun, I'm generally going to do a face. So that's what I'm going to do today. I'm going to paint a portrait. A lot of times I will work from faces that I find online just randomly, and other times I'll use my own photos from my own photo shoots and my own models. But recently I've been playing with AI, and specifically with Artistly AI. And you know what really amazes me about these AI engines is how good they are at creating really gorgeous guys. So I was experimenting with Artistly, and I came up with these really handsome Brazilian looking guys, and with great lighting too. Well, that was one of the things I was prompting for. And they turned out so well, I thought these would be really fun to paint or draw. So I'm going to be working for one of those today, and this is it. Of course, I tweaked it in Photoshop, and this is what I got. And when I saw the tweaked version, I already liked the face, but when I saw the tweaked version, I loved it. Just look at these colors and the color areas, the shapes of them. This is going to be really fun to paint. So let's go into the studio and see what happens. I sketched it onto the canvas really quickly because I wasn't really worried about getting a perfect likeness. I just wanted to play with the shapes, and it still turned out to be pretty close to the photo. Once I had that, then I did my usual acrylic wash thing, and when the acrylic wash dried, then I started painting, starting with the darkest darks as usual. The background colors I chose because I thought they looked good in the photo, the blue and the greens. But once I got it in, and I was kind of lazy, I didn't want to copy the whole background, so I just used the colors. Once I got them in, I wasn't really happy with them. So then I looked at the photo a little more closely, and I realized that the blue of the sky in the photo actually had a kind of purple cast to it, and that made me think maybe purple would work. So I mixed up some purple and tried it, and it worked. And here is the finished painting, which I call Brazilian Purple, because Portrait of Brazilian Boy on Purple background was just way too long. I think it turned out pretty well, and you can see it now on my website at douglassimonson.com. And that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed watching this painting come together and maybe picked up some tips. Please subscribe if you haven't already. That inspires me to do more videos. And if you got a little inspired watching me paint today, great. Put on your painting pants and go paint. Magic could happen.